Hey, Casher Derek here, Baker Six Clan. Today I'm in Mingo and I get to meet up with a really great gadget cache builder. All right, you've seen him before. I am with TriCaches. Chad, I am so glad to finally get to actually meet you in person at an event, which I know a lot of us haven't been able to do, but we're finally at an event.
Yeah.
And brought some caches out, and the one I want to show is got a little bit of a story behind this. Tell us a little bit about that story.
So the one you're going to talk about is called Larry's Cryptics, I'm guessing.
Yes.
So I originally, I had a lot of fun caches in the Grand Forks, Gilby area, North Dakota. And one of the ones I put out was a Cryptics that used my zip code as the combination to get in.
Okay.
One of the cachers had said that I'm getting too easy in my old age. So I thought, well, I've got to make something a little more devious than just using numbers and letters. So I used magnets inside the rings of the Cryptics.
Oh, I love that.
So I put it out and I didn't have anything in it to help you figure out what it was. Cacher I made it for was Larry.
Okay.
So every ring has an L all the way around it. The second ring is A's all the way around. So it spells Larry every direction you turn.
You go.
Yeah. So you have to figure out how to get into it. The first person that found it was actually wearing a necklace that had metal in it.
Okay.
And he was leaning over it, and the magnet caught the necklace, and he goes, ah, that's what's going on.
That is
So-
absolutely brilliant. I love this cache. I love Cryptexes, and this is just another one of those twists that you can do with a Cryptex. And absolutely phenomenal. Of course, we've seen your caches all over Josh's channel, and thank you for doing what you do. That is just completely awesome.
I enjoy the heck out of meeting people and making them come out to Gilby and think. You know,
Yes.
it's completely different than going at Walmart and finding a lamp skirt.
Oh, yeah.
Go walk out into the trees, get a breath of fresh air, and then you have to start your thinking.
Right.
Figure out how to get in.
Right. Have you ever thought about making a lamp skirt gadget cache?
I'm working on one right now.
Are you?
Actually, yep.
That's
there's one
awesome.
in the shop, kind of
That's
half
great.
started.
Can't wait to see that. That's going to be absolutely awesome. But thanks for joining us here on Behind the Cache. Now, go check out Josh's videos. You'll see them all over the place, real easy. Go to Gilby, go do the Moorhead Geo Tour. You'll find a lot of his caches up there. But hey, don't go anywhere. Go check out another one of these videos just right over here and find the story behind the cache.